That's a lot of plugs. You can put them in your crib. Go put them in your crib.
Yeah?
Good job.
You're already coming down though. Alright? So you have to come down. So you want to go up.
Good girl.
No. Okay.
Those are for sleeping, right? Good girl. No, did you steal one? Put it back in. No, 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 no. Bree won't help you now. No, 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 no. You put that in your crib. You put it in your crib. Go. Bree? She's not going to help you. Put that in your crib. What? What's that? No, put that in your crib. No, no, no. Plugs go where? Plugs go where? In your... No, 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 no. Oop. Oop. Boom. Alright. Now, put it in your crib. And then we'll go downstairs. Put it in your crib. Good girl. Good girl. Okay.